Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Onyinye and this video is going to be a makeup tutorial. So I'll be showing you guys how I created this look that I have on right now. So if you want to see how I created this look, please keep watching and I'll see you guys at the end. So I have my brows done already as usual. Now I'm just going to be priming my lid with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. So I'm just using my finger to apply this and blend it onto my lid. Now I'll be going into my Smudged palette from Zaron and I'll be using that brown shade as transition. So I'm just blending this in the area above my crease. Now going into my Zaron Splash palette, I'll be packing this blue shade onto my lid. Just using an eyeshadow brush to apply this onto my lid. Now I'll be going in with this orange shade and I'm just going to be blending that in my crease. Using that two shade I showed you guys, I'm going to be applying that at the outer corners to give my eyes some depth. Now going back in with the color I used as transition and a blending brush, I'm just going to be blending out the edges of the eyeshadow. And to set my brow bone area, I'm using that shade from my Dolly Lana palette from Taos Cosmetics. For my inner tear duct area, I'm just using that silver shade, just applying this in my tear duct area. Now I'm lining my lid with a liquid eyeliner. Then I went ahead to apply some mascara to my lashes. I applied my falsies off camera. Now I'm going to go on to my face and I'll be priming first with my Fix and Perfect primer from Rimmel London. Just going to be using my fingers to blend this onto my skin. Now I'm using my Strobe cream from MAC and I'm just going to be applying this in the center of my face to illuminate my face a little bit. For foundation, I'll be going in with this one from Zaron and I'm just going to be pumping that onto the back of my hand and then going in with my brush. I'm going to apply that all over my face. Just taking my time to blend out the foundation properly. That done, I'm going to highlight now and I'm using this concealer from Zaron. This is in the shade medium, I think, and I'm gonna head to apply this in the areas of my face that I usually highlight and then going in with a beauty blender. I would use that to blend it out. To set the areas of my face that I just highlighted, I'm going to be using my Colorpop translucent setting powder and I'm just going to use that to set the concealer that I applied earlier. Now over to contour and I'm using my Zaron concealer as well. I'm just applying this in the perimeters of my face using the applicator. Then I'll go in with a damp beauty blender to blend it out nicely. To set my contour, I'll be using my face definer from Zaron. Just using the dark powder to set the areas of my face that I contoured. Now to return colors to my cheeks, I'm just going to be dusting some blush onto my cheeks. To set the whole of my face, I'm using this mattifying primer from Zaron as well. I used a lot of Zaron products in this tutorial. I've been using a lot of that product lately. So I'm still setting the whole of my face with my Zaron powder. And now to complete my eye look, I'm going to be smudging that shade underneath my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go in with this black shade. I'm just going to be applying it at the outer corners. Now I'm just applying mascara to my lower lashes. And then I'll be going in with my Fix Plus, put everything together. For my lips, I'll be lining with this pencil first. This is the Stallion pencil from Zaron as well. And I'm just going to use that to line my lips and also fill it in a little. Then I'll be going in with this lipstick called Moonlight from Zaron as well. Then I went ahead to apply highlighter to the highest points of my cheek, the bridge of my nose, my temples, and my cupid's bow. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. Encourage your friends to subscribe as well. That would mean the world to me. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I enjoyed creating this video for you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.